Life throws down a challenge. Do you get defined by your circumstances, or do you choose to redefine yourself? Alex Reed was a college basketball star. Then, one catastrophic accident took his leg. When the world told him his life was over, Alex decided it was time to beat the impossible. Today, we look at how a champion didn't just rebuild his body, but completely broke and remade his own destiny. Doctors told him he could walk again, but for an athlete, walking isn't enough. Alex approached his old coach, Johnson. The coach was realistic. The speed of basketball is miles away from track sprinting. But Alex was adamant. If he didn't have a leg, his sheer will would become his speed. That's where his new life began as a para-athletic sprinter. From that moment, Alex saw his prosthetic not as a disability, but as a technological advantage waiting to be mastered. The path was long and punishing. Every step was a fight. Every failure was physically and mentally exhausting. Alex knew running wasn't enough. He needed to learn the language of his blade. He spent hours analyzing data, calculating the exact angle and balance needed for maximum propulsion. It was Alex's unyielding commitment that eventually brought Coach Johnson back. The coach realized Alex didn't just want to win a race, he wanted to make history. The fusion of coaching expertise and technology took Alex's training to a new level. Finally, the Paralympics final. Millions of viewers were watching. Every stride Alex took was a culmination of his past failures, his pain, and his absolute resolve. In the final 20 meters, he applied the data and the training to their ultimate limit. He didn't just accelerate, he seemed to vanish into the wind. A new world record. He proved that the equipment meant to take him down had become the symbol of his victory. Alex was defeated by fate, but he was championed by his own indomitable mind. Alex's story reminds us, the biggest challenge in life begins when you decide to write your own comeback story. The word impossible loses its power when you blend your lost strength with technology and an unbreakable spirit. Now it's your turn. Awaken the Alex within you. For more inspiring stories, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel now.